Michelle Alexander is the author of The New Jim Crow, Mass Incarceration in the Age of Colorblindness, former director of the Racial Justice Project at the ACLU of Northern California, now holds a joint appointment at the Kirwan Institute for the Study of Race and Ethnicity and the Moritz College of Law at Ohio State University. Welcome to Democracy Now!, Michelle Alexander, as you join with Randall Robinson in this discussion.
Yes. You know, I think we've become blind in this country to the ways in which we've managed to reinvent a caste-like system here in the United States, one that functions in a manner that is as oppressive in many respects as the one that existed in South Africa under apartheid and that existed under Jim Crow here in the United States. Although our rules and laws are now officially colorblind, they operate to discriminate in a grossly disproportionate fashion through the war on drugs and the Get Tough movement. Have been swept into our nation's prisons and jails, branded criminals and felons, primarily for nonviolent and drug-related crimes, the very sorts of crimes that occur with roughly equal frequency in middle-class white neighborhoods and in college campuses, but go largely ignored. Branded criminals and felons and then are ushered into a permanent second-class status where they're stripped of the many rights supposedly won in the civil rights movement, like the right to vote, the right to serve on juries, and the right to be free of legal discrimination in employment, housing, access to education, and public benefits. I had a series of experiences that really began my own awakening. I began to see that our criminal justice system does, in fact, operate more like a caste system than a system of crime prevention or control, and that so many of the myths that we are fed about why our prison system, has exploded in the, past 30 years, why we now have the highest rate of incarceration in the world, just don't even pass the laugh test. Once you take a close look at them, it is not the case that our prison population has exploded due to a surge in crime or crime rates. So many of the excuses that have been offered actually just aren't true once you dig a little deeper, and my book is an effort to do just that.